Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide everyone how to download Counter-Strike to your PC or laptop so you can play it. First, open a web browser. Then go to the official Steam website. I'll put the website link in the video description below. After accessing the website, click on Install Steam. Click on Install Steam. After downloading the Steam installer, right-click here to proceed with the installation. Select Yes. Select Next. Select Next. Select Install. Select Finish. Log into your Steam account. If you don't have a Steam account, create one. Once you've logged into your Steam account, you will find Counter-Strike here. This is Counter-Strike 2. Click on it. Select Play Game. Choose the drive where you want to install Counter-Strike 2, then select Install to proceed with downloading and installing the game to your computer. After the installation is complete, you can play Counter-Strike 2 on your computer.